What's up, everybody? Just got home from Sears. Just wanted to show you guys what I got. And just remove the bag. And see what we got. We got this plastic utility case, Craftsman. It's made in USA. I got this because I'm planning on putting something I just bought in here. Hopefully it fits. Let's put it aside. And I bought this Craftsman multimeter. It's actually a good multimeter. I'm not a professional electric, but I do some small electrical work, and this pretty much gets me through them. It works, and it's easy to use as well. So basically I bought this, but I want to put it in here, and hopefully it fits. Another thing is I already have one of these, but I gave it to my old man because he liked it and it was easy for him to use. So I picked this up. It's on sale for $15 and I got it. And this is another thing I got right now, and this is a multimeter carrying case for Craftsman. It's pretty cool. This is where I keep my other one, my other multimeter. But I wanted to have a plastic case so it won't get squished. And last of all, I got these Craftsman socks, 6 pair for $14.99. I needed new working socks and picked these up. These are gray. So this is my basically this is just what I got from Sears. Multimeter, carrying case, and a utility plastic case. I'm gonna see if it fits in here, and some work socks. Hopefully you guys like this kind of videos. Any questions, comments, just write them down below and I'll get back at you. Thanks for watching.